What's versatile, inexpensive, and protein packed? You guessed it, ground meat. So I like ground meat because it's affordable, it's protein rich, it's really great for healthy meals, but it's especially good for meal prep because you can portion it out easily. So we're gonna make two things. First thing is burgers, and then we're going to make a traditional shepherd's pie, but we're gonna put my spin on it. So first, the burgers. So what I have here is some ground turkey and I have some ground beef as well. So total, it makes about 2.5 pounds. Okay, I'm just gonna pop them in. So I just added those meats into my bowl. So I'm just gonna season it really, really simply. So salt, it's gonna be a teaspoon of salt, push salt, and then about a teaspoon of pepper. I'm gonna add a teaspoon of garlic powder. So everything's about a teaspoon for this, so kind of easy to remember. Teaspoon of it. And then a teaspoon of onion powder. Onion powder. I just put a glove on because I didn't want to get my nail polish messed up. So it's definitely best to use your hands when you're mixing the ground meat, when you're mixing your burgers up. It's just not gonna get as well mixed if you try to use a spoon or anything. So now I just kind of bring it all together because I'm going to divide it up right in the bowl. But anyway, once you have your burgers, you're just gonna roll it into a little ball. And then flatten it out. It should be about, I'd say an inch thick or so. Okay. And then I put it on my sheet tray right here that is lined with some parchment paper. All right, we're gonna cook up one of our burgers here. So, of course, there are many ways to cook burgers. You can do it on the stove, you can grill it, you can do one of those like those indoor grill things. But I'm just gonna do a pan fry just to show you because this is kind of the easiest way to do it if you don't feel like pulling out your grill or, you know, if you're not doing a barbecue. So all right, so I have it on medium-high heat. I'm just gonna spray my pan with cooking spray. And then I'm gonna put the burgers on. I'm gonna put the dent side down. Sorry. All right, so once it's down, leave it alone. You don't mess with it. You don't, pat it down, or, you don't do anything to it. Just leave it alone, okay, for about 3 to 5 minutes. Because what we're trying to do is get a nice sear, a nice crust on it. That nice golden brown, a little bit of charring to it. So you need to leave it alone for it to do that, okay? All right, for about 3 minutes. So I'm just gonna flip it over. Look at that yumminess. Perfect. So you just want to do the same amount on the other side. And it's done. Alright, so that's done. Aw, the puppy wants some. Sorry, puppy, it's too good for you. This is only for human food. It's delicious. Off the heat. Onto the plate. And then, of course, at this point, you can put some cheese on it. And just let it sit for a minute or two until it melts. That's really good. So simply flavored, but little goes a long way in this case, so definitely try that.